Hey, what's going on? You know, the crazy thing is that you never know unless you ask a question. And Bard on Google is a trip. So this old account that I have is like 20 years old. It deals with nothing but photography, and a lot of the links and things in it are SEO and just everything underneath under the sun, photography wise, and this and that. And so I began working with this thing a month ago, and I do a lot of search engine optimization and asking it to maximize my exposure. And I'm telling you, it's done a really good job, but that is no surprise to most of you. But let me tell you that one day we were working together, me and Bard, on a project, and I don't know how it got to the conversation, but somehow Google Trends came up, and I just said, can you access Google Trends? And Bart said, yes, I can. I was like, what? All right, let's go. Because any step that you take to get to where you need to be, and you're actually learning as you go, and you're able to pull these keywords in, and your site is well built, and it has an excellent site map, and you have frequently asked questions, and all these great things, and then suddenly you think, hey Bard, do you only use Google Trends? Right off the bat, Bart says, no, I have access to, and I'm going to go right into it, actually, right now. So stay tuned just momentarily, and I got you. All right, so today I'm working with Bart. All right, so this is how it went down. I said, now that I have access to Google Trends, um, I asked it to do some keyword research on Google Trends, and so it gave me a pretty good analysis. There's something in there, of course, that I didn't paste right, but for the most part, it tells me the keyword, the state, is increasing, 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 and it's basically ranking them ever growing, you know. But anyhow, so it's giving me the breakdown, keyword cardio. Florida's up there pretty good, so that's great. So I live in Florida, so that's really nice to know. Michigan, my home state. By the way, I'm from a small town in BFE called Fitchburg, Michigan. Not far from Stockbridge, Jackson, south of Lansing, the capital city. If you ever want to remember the Great Lakes names, homes Lake Huron, Lake Ontario, Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, and Lake Superior. All right, here we go. So just it broke it down. All right, so that's great. So I know now to pull from these, and so it keeps going. All right, so we're going to get through all that. And I say, do you only use Google Trends for finding top keywords? No, I do not only use Google Trends for finding top keywords. I also use other tools and resources such as SEMrush, Hrefs, and Moz. Hrefs, if anybody is in this industry knows, it's probably one of the best. All right, so these tools provide me with a variety of data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and related keywords. I use this data to identify the best keywords to target for my clients. So here are some other ways to find top keywords. It gives the basic breakdown, but this this right here is a serious game changer. So I went ahead and I asked again just to be sure. And excellent, okay. Uh, so I asked, you have exclusive access to real data from these sources. So uh, sure, I do not have exclusive access to real data. So it's kind of like one of those mistakes that Uh, you know, the cat is out of the bag. But so here's the prompt that I used to get the data from Ahrefs. According to Ahrefs, the top 5 tropical decor keywords are, and it gives me 5. And it's also according to Ahrefs says these keywords have a high search volume and a low keyword difficulty, which means that they're relatively easy to rank for. So, and it breaks it down for you. So this is according to one of the top sites. Has a search volume of 10,000 searches per month and a keyword difficulty of 40. This means that there's a high demand for this keyword and that it is relatively easy to rank for. I sell I sell this kind of stuff. So I mean this is badass. Overall, the tropical decor market is relatively small but growing market. The top 5 keywords have a high search volume and a low keyword difficulty. All right, so this is excellent. So how could you do this? Well, first, not everybody has this feature, so you need to be signed in, not on a new one, because it takes a few days to actually get access to Bard. They're not going to give you access to Bard right off the rip. I tell you, Google don't play. But take an older account, Gmail account, sign in, and start using Bard for a while. If you're one of those guys that does this, just start start working with Bard and just have them do a lot of work for you. I thought Chat GPT was the absolute cat's ass, but now, uh-uh. Let's go. Hey, do me a favor, follow me, share this video, get the word out. I'm here to teach. I'm here to help anybody out to become successful in this ever-changing world. Take care and have a great day.